Are you thinking about buying your first home? But before you start scrolling through Zillow and touring open houses in search for your dream home, you need to know about the common mistakes that could cost you thousands of dollars. Today, I'm going to go over the top 5 mistakes to avoid when buying your first home. Mistake number 1, not getting pre-approved for a mortgage. This mistake can lead to disappointment and wasted time when you fall in love with a beautiful house that's out of your price range. Instead, get pre-approved for a mortgage so you can focus your search on homes that fit within your budget. Mistake number 2, skipping the home inspection. While it may be tempting to skip the inspection to save money, it could end up costing you thousands of dollars in the long run. A home inspection can uncover hidden problems that you may not be aware of, such as a leaky roof or a faulty foundation. Always get a home inspection before you buy. Number 3, ignoring the neighborhood. It's easy to get caught up in the features of the house itself and forget about the neighborhood. However, the neighborhood can have a huge impact on your quality of life. Make sure to research the area thoroughly, including the school district, crime rates, and proximity to certain amenities. Mistake number 4, not considering future needs. It's important to think about your future needs when buying a home. Are you planning to start a family? Do you need a home office? Make sure the home you choose will meet your needs for years to come. Now, so you don't want to go through the stressful process of buying and moving again every couple years. So, mistake number 5, rushing the process. Many first-time home buyers rush through the process out of excitement or FOMO, fear of missing out. However, this can lead to costly mistakes. So take your time, do your research, and make sure you're making an informed decision that you'll be happy with for years to come. Now that you know about these common mistakes, you're better equipped to make an informed decision when it comes to buying your first house. If you're ready to take the next step, I'm here to help guide you through the process and help you find the home of your dreams. Remember, buying a home is a big investment, so take your time, do your research, and avoid these costly mistakes. Until next time, peace.